On this, your 75th birthday, we join with you for a look back. Grandpa, Charlie, Uncle Charlie, Charles. On this, your 75th birthday, we join for a look back over a life that has spanned 3/4 of a century and which has taken you across the seas and across the country. A life that has been highlighted by boyish pranks, involvement in scouting, service to your country, and 40-year plus career as a tool and die maker, devotion to your God and your family. Come along then as we stroll with you down memory lane. You were born on December 5th, 1914, the son of Charles and Effie Williams von Harten. Ancestry beyond your parents included your grandparents, William K. and Amelia Gleichman. Later picture of your grandfather, William K. von Harten.
Good.
I should have just brought those. Martha Jacobs, pictured here in the center, along with your mother on the right, and your Auntie Lucinda. This is Phoebe Rush, mother to your grandfather, William K. von Harten. This is grandmother Amelia with daughter Ethel in about 1890. Can you guess who they are? Your dad, Charles, on the far left, Ethel in the middle, and Jay on the right. This was probably taken around 1893. You were born in Little Rock, Arkansas, where your father was a director with the YMCA. Well, Dad, you can tell that you wanted to a life of luxury, sitting in your spa. You were the prime joy of the family, especially with those curls and dresses. You're way ahead of modern times dressed in your miniskirt. You with your mother. Dad out with 2 chicks. Look at those blonde curls. Aren't you cute? Dad, what are you looking at? Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Is it Superman? Arkansas, your family moved to Wisconsin. And from Wisconsin, when you were 4, to Evansville. About 6th grade. Maybe 4th, we're not sure. This is a picture of you, Virginia on the left, Ed in the middle on the hat, and May as a baby. Do you have all four of them, or just? This is you and Uncle Ed in the 1930s after a great hunting trip. Ed is pointing to a rabbit you apparently shot. You're already a great hunter. In Evansville, your father became a route man for American Dairy and the family. Lived on Franklin Street. Your father delivered milk with a wagon drawn by a horse named Frank, a horse he became really attached to. Then you attended Lodge Grade School, where you enjoyed baseball and belonged to a scout troop. You went on to attend Bosse High School, where at the age of 14 you had a paper route. Remember that you had to travel all the way up to Kentucky and Riverside to pick up your papers, and also the time that Ed toted you on his bike your whole route. Okay, in 1931 you were attending Bosse High School. Look at this report card. Isn't it great? P means perfect, G means good, F apparently probably means fantastic. Oh, what is that? Oh, I guess it's a typographical error. This is your senior picture. What a handsome lad. After high school, you drove your Uncle John's car